In this tutorial, I'll show you how to change password in TradingView. By the end, you'll have securely updated your TradingView account password using the built-in settings, so you can continue using your account with confidence. First, log into TradingView. On your browser, go to tradingview.com, then sign in with your account. Type your email and password, or use your usual sign-in method, and wait for the dashboard to load. Make sure you can see your profile picture or initial in the top right corner before moving on. Next, click your profile icon in the top right, then click Settings. This opens the Settings window where you control account preferences. If you're following along on a smaller screen, you may need to scroll slightly to see all sections. Now, go to Account and Security. In the left-hand sidebar of the Settings window, click Account and Security to open the page that manages your login details and security options. Give the page a moment to load so all fields are active. From here, click Change Password. You'll see a dedicated section or button labeled Change Password. Click it once to open the password form. If a panel expands, make sure the cursor is inside the current password field before you start typing. Enter your current password, then your new password, and confirm it. In the current password field, carefully type your existing TradingView password. In the new password field, type the new password you want to use. Then in the Confirm New Password field, type the same new password exactly as before. To avoid errors, type slowly and check for capitalization and special characters. If TradingView shows a strength indicator or requirements, make sure your new password meets them. Using at least 8 characters with a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols helps keep your account secure. Plus, if the confirmation field doesn't match the new password exactly, you'll see an error. Just retype both new password fields so they match perfectly. Once that's done, click Save. Look for the Save button beneath the password fields and click it once. If the button appears disabled, double-check that all 3 fields are filled and that the 2 new password entries match. After you click Save, wait for the success message or confirmation on the screen. Well, do not close the page until you see that confirmation. If TradingView briefly asks you to verify the change on the same screen, follow the on-screen prompt, then return to this window and click Save again. At this point, your TradingView password is changed. If you're asked to sign in again, that's normal. Use your new password to log back in. If you remain signed in, your new password is now active for future logins. Before leaving the page, you can quickly test it by opening a new tab, going to tradingview.com, logging out, and then signing back in with the new password. This is optional, but it confirms everything is working as expected. If you made a mistake while typing, you can safely repeat the process from the same account and security section. Just reopen Change Password, enter the correct current password, set a new one, confirm it, and click Save again. Take your time here. Changing a password doesn't affect your charts or alerts, and you can come back to this screen anytime. That's it. Your TradingView password has been updated successfully and is now in effect. For more step-by-step tutorials like this, subscribe and check out the other guides available on the channel.